Top 5 Myths Surrounding Internet Marketing. Internet marketing is an extremely exciting business opportunity that allows anyone to earn a living from the comfort of their home. What's more is that they can earn a passive income, meaning that they can generate cash without needing to actively exchange their time for money. But while internet marketing is extremely exciting, it's also still relatively new. It's been around for decades, sure, but compared to jobs like bricklayer, it's certainly not quite as historic. With that in mind, there is a lot of misunderstanding surrounding the topic. Listen up, and we'll take a look at some of the most common myths and the truth behind them. Internet marketing is a get-rich-quick scheme. If you're getting into internet marketing because you think you're going to get rich quick, then think again. Internet marketing is in fact one of the less guaranteed methods for earning money, and it's also one of the slowest. You'll spend months or even years working on your site before you see the money rolling in. Internet marketers don't do any work. Likewise, don't believe the sales pitches that you can earn a living by pressing a few buttons. Eventually, internet marketing will generate passive income, meaning that you're earning money while you sleep. Until then, though, you'll need to put in a lot of hours in order to set up that business initially. Internet marketing requires tech savvy. Learning to program or use advanced tools can give you an advantage as an internet marketer. That said, though, there is certainly no requirement to learn these. To be successful as a marketer, the only truly essential skills are an ability to write basic English and the commitment to get the job done. Internet marketing is risky. You don't need to pack in your day job in order to become an internet marketer. There is nothing to stop you from running your internet marketing business on the side. So give it a try and see what happens. What have you to lose? Internet marketing is spammy. Yes, internet marketing can be spammy when done wrong, but the truly successful marketers are the ones that are above cheap methods and that instead focus on providing real value for their readers and visitors. Those are also the ones that go on to be hired by top brands and firms, so pay attention. Top 5 Mistakes that New Internet Marketers Make. In this discussion, we'll be going over 5 mistakes that new internet marketers make. These can prevent your blog or business from being successful before it's even got started. So grab a pen and paper and listen up. Number 1. Being spammy. Let's face it, an awful lot of people who get into internet marketing do so because they want to make money quickly with minimum work. They see that you can make money online, and they assume that this must be an easy and quick way to make a buck. Thus, the type of content they create is spammy and adds no real value. But look at all the biggest brands online and you'll notice something they all have in common. They're good. Number 2. Poor design. Similarly, your web design should be top-notch. That means having a strong brand. It means having a responsive and modern website. And it means using the best tools to build everything. Again, look at your competition. Does your site honestly compete? Number 3. Not creating enough volume. Again, to reiterate, becoming an internet marketer is not a get-rich-quick scheme. If you approach it with that mindset, then you are in for a nasty shock. To succeed at internet marketing to the point that it becomes your day job, you initially need to treat it like your day job. That means you will be working 8-hour days writing new blog posts, gaining links, and communicating with your fans. This is non-negotiable. Number 4. Not being social. The social aspect is hugely important for internet marketers. If you can build a genuine relationship with the people who build your website, and if you can appear to be a real person that others want to know and aspire to be like, then you will find that your site grows much faster and everything is much more successful as a result. Number 5. Not waiting long enough. Finally, the last big mistake that bloggers make is not waiting long enough. This is something even big brands are guilty of when starting new ventures. If you want your website to be a huge hit, then you need to wait. It takes time to gain momentum and traction on Google, with your audience, and elsewhere. If your site hasn't become a massive success in 2 years, then keep going. It will all be worth it.